I am here from KodiLearn. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can download Papr News Magazine WordPress theme for free. So it is one of the beautiful and blog magazine theme. So here as you can see it is about $31 to pay and it is about 594 times and its rating is about 4.88. So it is very good theme. As you can see it comes with the coronavirus theme also. There are lots of other theme in dark when it comes with lots of other features that you can put on our website. So I need to show you the demo website. So let me show you the demo website. So here are all the demo websites. So this is the default one, this is the coronavirus one, this is the sports one, this is the magazine one, and this is illustration, fashion, travel, technology, and RTL version, blog one, photography, personal blog, and under construction, and lots of. Here as you can see it supports full demo, means you can install all of these demo sites in one click, and it supports Elementor page builder, Gutenberg support, and WooCommerce. It is friendly with WooCommerce, means it integrates with WooCommerce, and here are lots of, like you can put the ads, and it is very fully responsive, and here are lots of other that is very powerful, and it supports Google Maps and Google Fonts, and it is SEO friendly, and it also supports Melting and Contact Form 7 and lots of other that you can see here. Let me show you one of the demo website. Let me show you the default one. So this is the default one. So it's right now loading. So while loading this site you can also see the preloader effect. So here as you can see this is the preloader effect. You can obviously change, but for that you need to create a GIF image and put in this Papr theme. So here as you can see this is the preloaded image, which is the default one. You can obviously change from the settings. So now as you can see the website is loaded. So let me show you the website. So here as you can see this is the website, and here this is the search bar, and here is the cart and social logins, and here are all the menus, date, and here is the one where users can search and lots of other information, and here is the home menu. So here are all the home pages that you like, you can put as the home page. So as you can see this is the home page, and the home page looks very cool, and you can obviously put the tutorials like videos like this. And here are the here as you can see you can put the MailChimp form, and here are the social counters, and here are Instagram feed and lots of others. So you can put like this. The best thing that I liked about this theme is this dark mode. The user can quickly switch between the dark mode and light mode like this. As you can see it fully supports the dark mode. Then it will decrease the strain in the user's eyes, and this dark mode will remain the same when user just close this tab and open this tab. This dark mode will remain the same, and when user go to the interface there will be dark mode if the dark mode is turned off. So let me show you how you can download this file. So you'll get this Papr theme from the description. Just download it and just extract it. After extracting you will get this folder. Here is the child theme and here is the main theme. Child theme is very useful when you want to use custom CSS without having the real theme. Then you can obviously use the child theme also, but for that you must install the main theme. So let me install the main theme. So if you are new in the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, because I always create videos related to paid themes and plugins for free that you can get. So please subscribe and share, and please like this video if you think this video was helpful. Just let me click on themes. But before installing this theme, let me show you my website. So as you can see this website do not look powerful, means it's too worst. Let me add that theme. So let me click on add new and upload theme, and let me drag and drop. So it is very easy to install, so you just need to drag and drop or choose file. So if you are having any problem while installing this theme, then you can obviously comment down below or contact at KodiLearn@gmail.com. I'll try to reply as soon as I got your comment or email. So let me show you the website. Now it is installed, means activated. So here, as you can see, this was the old website and this was the new website. It looks different now, but it do not looks like the demo website. So let me show you how you can do further steps. Here it is telling me to install few plugins. I really recommend you to install all of these plugins because all of those plugins are very useful. So it will help you to easily create the website. Means here are lots of e-commerce is also required in AMP, which will help you to decrease the site load time in the mobile, and lots of others like Instagram feed and social counter. So it is right now installing all of these plugins like Excel files. So while it is installing, so if you are new in our channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to get more themes and plugins for free like this, then please comment down below. I'll try to create video on that as soon as I get your comment. And I always create the video on different types of themes and plugins. I've already created lots of video on the blog theme, like this extra theme that you can use. I'll give the link in the description for this, like this newspaper theme, which is also one of the most popular and most selling blog theme, and lots of other theme I have already created. Obviously you can check it in our channel. Let me skip this part for a while now. So as you can see, all of these plugins are installed. Let me activate it and apply. So now it is activating. It will take some time, so I recommend you to install all of these required plugins. So now all of these required plugins is installed. So let me show you what you can do with like installing demo. So let me show you a few other options. So here, as you can see, all of these options has been scanned. So let me install few demo segments. Just click on appearance and just click on import demo data. To import the demo data, I really recommend you to import the demo data because it will help you a lot to customize the site. Means with demo data you can obviously use it and you can obviously change it whatever you want. So let me import this main. Let's click on as import. So it will take some time, so for that I'm going to just skip this part. So if you are new in the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. If you want to get more themes and plugins for free like this, then please comment down below. And if you are getting an error while installing this theme, like site error or code or something like that, then you can obviously comment down below. So let me skip this part. So now all the demo website has been imported. So let me show you the website. So when I click on the home page, it is showing me that sorry, the page do not exist, 404 error. So let me tell you how I can fix this error. Just go to settings, reading, and just select the home page. So let me choose the home and save. So you can obviously choose any homepage that you want. Like there are other like homemade home pipes, so that is given by this demo website. So let me refresh here, and now you can see the website. So now as you can see, this preloader has been activated, means it is showing in your website. So now as you can see, all the demo website has been imported correctly. As you can see here, it occurs the dark theme also. So this dark theme works perfectly with this page. As you can see, all of this page is working right now. So here are all the home pages also that you can see. Here are all the post pages, like post. When I click on the post, just click on post layout, and you can just obviously have this type of menu also. So let me show you one post. So how it looks, the post. So here as you can see, this is the simple post. So as you can see, this is the post, which looks amazing. This theme, wow, it looks amazing. And here all the things are looking cool. And let me go to the top, and here as you can see, obviously you can have other styles if you like post layout 2, it is post layout 1. And here as you can see, if you like this layout, then you can obviously use, but I don't like this because there is no sidebar. Like there is other format like layout 3. You can obviously go to the Papr option by going to here, appearance, Papr options, So here as you can see, this is the another layout. If you like, then you can obviously use it. And here are all the layout also like this layout 4. So to change that, you can go to you can also change in the single post. So here are other also options. You can obviously enable lots of other options like logo and lots of other. You can just go to this Papr option for that. So here is, as you can see, this is another layout that you can obviously have with the blog. And let me show you the last format or layout. Here is format also. You can obviously change whatever you want with this theme. So this is also a good one. And here you can obviously add the video. Let me choose the post format and standard. Means post format means you want to have the video or standard one like that. Like you can obviously have the audio, video, and only text or gallery. So let me show you other. This is the category page. So here as you can see, this is the category page. You can obviously have it. And here are other pages like author, commission, about us. So let me show you the about us page. So you can obviously edit this about us page with element 2. You can obviously change whatever you want. Like there are other pages like our team and contact us. Let me show you all other pages. So this page is good. So you contact us page. So as you can see, this contact us page is also good. It works with the contact form 7. And here is the map, and that you can obviously edit with Elementor. So let me go to the shop page to show you the few options. Means shop page. So this often integrates with WooCommerce. I have already told that. So as you can see, this looks amazing. So when I can click on the add to cart option, and it will be available here. So let me click on one of the products. So now as you can see, this product is looking cool, and it perfectly integrates with dark mode also. Let me click on the add to cart button, and here it is telling me to view cart. So all of the pages perfectly do with the WooCommerce and the blog. As you can see, it looks very powerful, and all of these things integrate properly. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to get more themes and plugins for free like this, then you can obviously comment down below. If you're having any problem, then please tell me. I'll try to reply as soon as I get your comment. So thank you for this video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.